Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a serpentine belt on a 2009 Nissan Murano. Begin by loosening the tensioner and removing the old belt while keeping track of the routing path. Inspect pulleys and the tensioner for noise or play and replace any worn components. Route the new belt following the diagram, apply steady pressure to the tensioner, confirm belt seating on all grooves, and reconnect the battery. Before you start, gather all parts and tools to keep the job smooth and efficient. You will need a serpentine belt tool or long breaker bar, a socket set, and the correct OEM or equivalent replacement belt. Keep penetrating oil, rags, and gloves handy to deal with stubborn fasteners and grime. Verify the belt part number and rib count against the vehicle label, and organize fasteners in a tray to avoid losing anything. With the engine cool and hood secure, rotate the tensioner and remove the old belt while noting the routing. Thoroughly inspect all pulleys and the tensioner for wobble or grinding and replace as needed before installing the new belt. Fit the new belt around accessories, leaving the tensioner last. Relieve the tensioner to slip the belt onto its pulley. Then slowly release and verify the belt sits fully in all pulley grooves for proper alignment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.